started from that point that we were punished in our classrooms for doing what? Speaking vernacular. What was the effect? What was intended? First of all, what was the intention of our punisher? The person that brought that law. Punish anybody that spoke vernacular. And the vernacular they are saying is my mother language, my mother tongue. What I was born with as an identity. My language. You punished me for speaking it. What would that do to me? What was the intention? To break me, for me to begin to see that as wrong. My language is wrong. My language, I have fear to speak it because I will not be accepted. I was broken.
But no
vex. Look at it this way. Psychologically, I was broken. Psychologically, I was broken for thinking that if I speak my language here today, I will punish. You know what? We can trade punishment for anything. When we were young, in primary school, I said maybe I'm late, and I got tagging you talk tagging you. It's pain. It's painful. He may assignment I tagging you. You know, so those things are wrong. You are dirty. Your nails, you did not cut your nails. I tagging you. You do not wash your stockings. I tagging here. You didn't wear the sandal, the right sandal or the right color. I went in schools, dog against it. When schools, so they specifically that their school sandals or school shoe must be brown. If you bring black, you'll be flogged. So that means there is a law. Thank you. Now, imagine my own language being classified as a vernacular. And if I speak it in that classroom, I'll be punished. And actually, because I'm in Aba, normal face me, I face you. Igbo. What I learned, Igbo, so but in a school, we were meant not to speak it. And by default, and them soya, by the class prefects, the house slave. I'm sorry. Yes, then and this Igbo. I'm going to list the many noisemakers. I'm going to list here. Then we say names of vernacular speakers because teacher Batamba, you got that class prefects. Yeah, see again. I come and read out the names of the vernacular speakers and the ones that disturb the class. Yeah, noisemakers. Prefect, monitor, class monitor. Gapota, Gupta. Names of the vernacular speakers are Stanley Ndoka Kuchukwe Meka Nonga. Achara mape. Inata which I handles each and no car for her. And now they buka so I was beaten, I was flogged. So I guess what this she chose here because as a young boy, I focus train a child in the way he should go for let him may he not depart. Now as a young boy, appear me here for my language, I began to see it as evil. I began naturally. That thing broke me. It was what it meant. It was meant to break me to see my identity as wrong, and I grew up with that. I grew up with that mentality. I grew up with it, and yeah, we say, "Any nice ogazina." Igbo I just Igbo. I didn't here with English. Because why we are getting conscious now? Because I am using the line of Igbo identity. Yeah, try to but by default, at the end of the 20. At the end of the end, they are up. It's English because I suffered a genocide on my identity, on my language.
Okay, let's go down.